Everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. Today we are tackling an interesting probability problem. What happens when you toss three unbiased coins? In this video we will calculate the probabilities for several scenarios. So let's dive in. So here is the problem. Three unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously. We need to find the probability of the following outcomes: at least two heads, at most two heads, all heads, exactly one head, exactly one tail. So let's get started. So when you toss three coins, so what will be the sample space? So possible, you can say that output or outcomes: three heads, two heads, one tail, two head, one tail, one head, two tails, one tail, two heads, two tails, one head, two tails, one head again, and three tails. So this would be the sample space when you toss three unbiased coins. Now the total number of outcomes is 8. So at least two heads. So let us see first scenario. So at least two heads. So there are four favorable cases. At least two heads means there must be two heads. It may be more than two heads, but at least two heads. So there are four favorable cases. So number of favorable outcomes is 4. So probability of at least two heads is 4 upon 8, that is 1 upon 2. Now let us see at most two heads means it may be 0 head, it may be 1 head, it may be 2 heads, but not more than 2 heads. So see that the favorable cases. So there are 7 favorable cases. So probability of at most 2 heads, that would be 7 upon 8. Third one, all heads. So favorable cases, there is only one favorable case, because in sample space you can say that only one sample point which has all heads. So we will have 1 upon 8, that is the probability of coming all heads is 1 upon 8. Exactly one head. So see that the sample space, there are three favorable cases. So we will have number of favorable outcomes is 3. So probability of exactly one head, that would be 3 upon 8. Exactly one tail. So we will have three favorable cases. So the number of favorable cases or outcomes is 3. So exactly one tail, that is 3 upon 8. So let us see that the results. Probability when you are tossing three coins. So first result, at least two heads, probability is 1 upon 2. Exactly probability of at most two heads, 7 upon 8. Probability of all heads, 1 upon 8. Probability of exactly one head, 3 upon 8. Probability of exactly one tail, again 3 upon 8. So this was the problem and we have solved. For more videos, resources and PDFs and quizzes, you can visit PostNetwork Academy website, that is www.postnetwork.co. You can visit YouTube channel for more playlist and videos. You can also visit Facebook page for a posts and videos, and you can connect with PostNetwork Academy LinkedIn page. Now hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video.